For my garage work, I have used so many lights, so many different kinds. I mean, I must have bought at least 20 different ones, right from like those to these rechargeable ones. And finally got this Astro, I think its model is 52 SLC, and it has a wireless recharging. It's pretty bright. It has a light on the top when you press the button once, and then the second press gets you full bright, and then button on the bottom turns the lights on both sides. It's pretty bright. And this also has wireless charging, and here's the pad. All I have to do is drop in and it charges, and this actually turns green. Right now it's fully charged. Actually turns red when it's being charged, and then once it's fully charged it turns green. And I drop it at the end of the day. I only have one. I'm thinking about buying another one so I can swap out, but it's been great help for working under the car in there. I'm thinking about getting Astro's hood light also. So this is a really good tool. I love it. 52 SLC. Now there is no light. I'm going to turn on the light for pointing, so how you can see clearly, and then a little bit more brightness. You can see the entire area. No light, and then with light. The other feature I like about this is the magnetic bottom, so it can attach to any metal areas. So you can turn it on and then attach to metal like so. Here we're working on that area, like, or you can attach from this wheel well here facing inside.